Well, we're here at the Stone Stable and Event Center just outside of Hanover, Ontario, approximately 2 hours north of Toronto. And this is a fully licensed event and wedding facility that we've been constructing since 2008. This property was vacant land in 2008. The property itself was 42 acres. So we started with a master plan and a vision to create sort of a parkland, wonderland, and inevitably someday botanical gardens here. At this point, the centerpiece of the property is the stone stable behind me. And this is a showpiece to show our clients and other clients around really all the different things you can do with natural stone. We also have a dry stack milkhouse ruins. We have dry stack stone walls and water features running through the property. So it's a 3-hour walk through 42 acres in the middle of Grey County that gives you sort of a feel for what a landscape could be if it was created, but then allowing Mother Nature to also come in and develop the site as well.